bits of honey restores dead cells on the skin. Makes the skin soft and elegant. Removes wrinkles on the skin, cleans all pigment spots. Makes the skin shine like glass. Yogurt benefits. Nourishes and moisturizes the skin, reduces wrinkles, and calms the skin. The mask is applied to the hands, face, neck, and décolleté. Use it every other day to maximize the effect of the mask. From which country are you watching us? If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like the videos, click like. The mask stays on the skin for 15 minutes.